Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official Granimate trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. How to read the different values. Yeah, hello. Hello. Who's there? The cat is there. Hello, this is the cat. So how to read the different colors of a tracking or content sheet. Let's deep dive into it. And let's release the cat for a moment. So, let's create some cues. For example, first cue, 3 fixtures, just a dimmer value. That's it. Next cue, let's add a position like this. And the next cue, let's do the dimmer to 60%. And let's add a gobo. Maybe like this. And on the next cue, I'm also going to set the dimmer to 60% as it's already set up. So let's have a look. So I'm open up now a tracking sheet because then we can see the colors better in this case. So let's go to the sequence sheet and check tracking sheet. So maybe we go to increase the font a little bit. So now in the tracking sheet you can see all these different colors. So what does it mean? First of all, the cyan value. Cyan value means it is a value which is a new value or a changed value or an increased value in the dimmer. Then we have the magenta value. Magenta value is a value which is not stored into the queue, but it's tracked through from a queue above. So this is the magenta is tracking. Then we have the green one, and the green one is a very special one because it is only a dimmer value which is decreased. So if the dimmer value is in this case in Q1 on 100%, then it's going down to 60%. It's going to be green. Why do we need these green values? Because we have to figure out if a value in the dimmer is increasing or decreasing, because we have the in and out fade and the in and out delay timings. So for this, we need to figure out if the dimmer is going up or going down. So last but not least, the white value. When is it going to be white? It is still a normally safe queue like a cyan queue, but it has some special thing because it is a value which we don't need to have the same look in this queue. Because if we would remove the 60% in this case here, then the 60% would be tracked through from Q3. So we don't need in Q4 the 60% to have the same output in this case. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.